right now, you guys, it's Babe's birthday, and I'm going to start his day off with making him a full breakfast. And I'm going to start right now by making this biscuit, and I'm going to be making some waffles. So this is good for waffles, cookies, whatever the case may be, but that's what I'm going to be making this morning. So I have everything equipped and ready to go. I do have my sausage already on the stove. I'll show you guys that. So here is my sausage. It is boiling, and once it's done boiling, and I will leave it on the stove so that it can get a little crispy, because you like your sausage like that, you guys. And then I'm going to do some spicy sausage, some eggs. I was going to do bacon, but he's not really a big fan of bacon, so yeah. So down in the comment section below, you guys, be sure to wish Babe a happy birthday. So let's go ahead and get started. My waffle maker. I did spray some of my Pam on it as well, you guys. So yeah, just turn it on.